How should we face the dead? This question is as old as the birth of philosophy itself. But now that artificial intelligence (AI) has made it possible to bring back the deceased through technologies that were once unimaginable, the real question we may need to ask is rather, how should we face the living? Filled Square, an era where AI resurrects the dead, prompting us to reconsider our relationships with the living. The popular drama Black Mirror Season 2 addressed this question directly several years ago. In an episode titled, "Be Right Back," a woman who lost her partner in a car accident asks a company to bring him back. The company first creates an AI bot using his digital traces, his social media posts, texts, voice messages, then eventually produces an artificial body. But having your wish granted does not necessarily bring happiness. The woman quickly regrets it. No matter how realistic he appears, the artificially reproduced version of her partner lacks the essence of a human being, which only deepens her loneliness and despair. Though this story is fiction, the underlying technology was portrayed realistically. And today, technological progress continues to accelerate in ways that seem almost designed to meet the needs of people experiencing deep grief. In 2016, freelance writer James Vlahos turned to AI after learning that his father had terminal cancer. He recorded extensive conversations with his father and, after his father's death in 2017, created an AI version of him that he could continue to talk with. Filled Square companies turning digital afterlife into reality. The attempt to bring the dead back with AI has long been considered a theme of science fiction, but with the advancement of AI it has become realistically achievable, reported the BBC. In 2019, James developed his chatbot into an app and service called Hereafter AI, enabling users to create digital versions of their loved ones. Hereafter AI is now one of the companies leading this field, alongside other startups. For example, Storyfile began as a platform to preserve testimonies of Holocaust survivors during World War II, but later expanded into an interactive service that enables conversations with the deceased. Meanwhile, Project December has set the ambitious goal of simulating the dead. Its website claims that it can recreate text-based conversations with deceased individuals by combining patent-pending technology with advanced AI running on some of the world's most powerful supercomputers. In 2021, it was revealed that Microsoft had obtained a patent for creating bots based on images, audio data, social media posts, electronic messages, and other personal information. Filled Square ghost bots using large language models imitate the appearance, words, and voice of the deceased. Supporting these technologies are large language models (LLMs). In a previous article, the author discussed the idea of an iMind clone, and explained that companies using this technology may make it possible to receive wise leadership advice from someone even after they have passed away. The computer science publication Communications of the ACM explains, advancements in generative AI, which produces language, images, and audio, now allow people to converse with ghost bots that imitate the deceased. The journal also notes, today's ghost bots are not magic, they are based on mathematics. AI language models trained on data left behind by the deceased mathematically predict and reproduce the words or voice of what the person would likely have said.